Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Alprazolum. Alprazolum is actually the drug of choice for generalized anxiety disorder. It is the drug of choice for generalized anxiety disorder. It can be used in acute panic attacks and also for agoraphobia. This alprazolum can be used. What is agoraphobia? Agoraphobia is if the patient has fear of open spaces, then we call it as agoraphobia. So, alprazolam is the drug of choice for generalized anxiety disorder, acute pain, and agoraphobia.
thank you and thank you for watching.